this International Student Life. It is your news in 60 seconds, the International Student News Update. And today we've got a great story for you. If you're an international student in Melbourne, Australia, there is a 50% discount available to you for your International Student Travel Pass, the ISTP Travel Pass. That's right. It's now available in 90, 180 or 365 day durations, and it provides eligible undergraduate international students with a 50% discount on public transport everywhere in the state of Victoria, not just Melbourne. That's right, you can travel into the country on a 50% discount. And throughout the week that the Study Melbourne team was speaking about this program, they spoke to hundreds of interested international students and promoted not only the International Student Travel Pass, but also Study Melbourne's suite of services and programs. And they're going to have another pop-up stall at La Trobe University's Bundoora campus between 12 and 2 p.m. on the 4th and the 5th of September 2023. Now, if you're a professional working for a tertiary institution in Melbourne, your institution can sign up to the International Student Travel Pass scheme at any time. Now, for more details, you've got to visit the Public Transport Victoria website. The link is below in the description. Wise Words Media encourages you to share these resources with your friends, your parents, your workmates and other international students. Today's news update is all part of our Spotlight series. It's designed for international students studying and living in Melbourne, Australia. And that's so you can get more out of your experience as an international student while you're living and studying here. All of this is your guide to free events and activities designed especially for you. And there'll be more throughout the remainder of 2023. That's all we've got for you today. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Please like this live stream presentation. Leave your comments below. Go on, join the conversation. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And above all, subscribe to this platform so that we can keep you up to date all the way through. That's all we've got time for now. Thanks, and we'll chat to you soon. G'day and welcome to this International Student Life produced by Wise Words Media. It is your International Student News Update in 60 seconds, and today we are telling you all about the International Student to International Advisor Program. You're invited to join. That's happening in September 2023. Now, if you're a current international student in Melbourne, Australia, you're from Asia, or maybe you're a recent graduate, and if you're keen to share your insights on Asia and want to build your professional network in Melbourne, well, this program is for you. It offers a series of workshops designed to share your experiences and knowledge of the fast-changing Asia landscape, and it also connects you with local Melbourne businesses. It helps build your understanding of the Australian workplace, and above all, it helps you meet new people, exchange stories, and build deeper connections. Sounds pretty good to us. Well, at Wise Words Media, we encourage you to share these resources with your friends, your parents, and also other international students, of course. Now, today's news update, it's all part of the Spotlight series. It's especially for international students studying and living in Melbourne, Australia. Gain more out of your experience if you're living and studying here. This content is your guide to free events and activities designed especially for you, and it's all about showcasing international student life in Melbourne, Australia. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Please like this live stream presentation. Leave your thoughts below as a comment. Go on, join the conversation. We want to hear what you have to say about life in Melbourne, Australia. And above all, make sure that you subscribe to this platform. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching, and we'll chat to you soon.